Hello, today I introduce the appearance and installing of our LED strip light. Okay, let's get down to the business. Okay, let's have a look what we're gonna use today. This is our paper package and we're gonna use it for our LED strip light. This is our normal using power supply. We usually use it for our daily life. And these are adhesive tapes for our LED strip lights. There are two kinds of this. And here is the engineering power supply. We usually use it in our factories. Put it out. This kind is 24 volts and 180 LEDs per minute. This one is 6500K cold light. Let's look at it. Okay, next, I light it up to show you the lighting effect. Now let's look at it.
Uncover the adhesive tape of the LED strip light. Stick the back on the wall.